Today I'm going to show you why most people are using AI completely wrong and how it's secretly destroying your brand. So here's what most people do with AI. They will ask it to write scripts, generate captions for their posts, create blog posts or even like full Twitter threads, and also write emails as well. And they think they're being efficient, but here's the thing. So just think about it. If you've never written a script by yourself, like never spent hours researching your audience, never actually made content that converts, how would you know if AI is giving you a good output? Like, how would you know that? And here's what happens. Like, AI just gives you like generic content and you automatically think that this is amazing. But let's say you give that same piece of script to a copywriter and they will just like see right through it. They might not even use it as a first draft. So let's say for me example, somebody gives me like an AI written script. I can pretty much spot it instantly because there are like key giveaways for that. And also mainly because I've written a lot of ads, a lot of newsletters, and a lot of content as well. Now, I'm not a full-time copywriter, but I have a core understanding of what works and what doesn't. And most importantly, the why behind it. But the key words here are have an understanding. For example, if I walk into a kitchen and somebody told me like, hey, Reed, pick out the good watermelons from the bad ones and make sure all of them are good. Like a chef tells me to do that. Like I wouldn't able to do that. I would struggle to do that because I don't know what a good watermelon or a bad watermelon. I don't know what they do. They tap the watermelon or something to find out what a good one is. I don't have that basic knowledge of what a watermelon is. And frankly, I don't care. But point of this analogy is I would most likely pick the bad watermelon and mix it in with a good one as well. So same concept here. So here's what you should do instead. Start studying content that performs well and how it's structured. So the next time you're just scrolling videos, just ask yourself, okay, why do I enjoy this one? What made me stop on this one? Is it the sound effects? Is it the hook? This could be an email, this could be a blog post, whatever it is, and you actually stopped and looked at it, read the whole thing, or even read it halfway. You have to ask yourself, what was interesting about this? Why did I do that? Was I interested in this topic and this was the best choice? Was this email was the subject good? Like these type of questions you have to ask, and this is just market research which you could use on your own stuff. And I do think this is very important for you if you don't want to outsource copywriting and if you want to make sure that you're just generating good captions and good scripts. It's important for you to learn basic copywriting skills. And this doesn't mean this doesn't mean you have to take a course. This doesn't mean, you hire a professional to do this. I mean, you could, and that would obviously accelerate the whole process and make your scripts way better. Most of the work is just analyzing on what's already existing around you and also understanding your audience. You need to know what good content looks like. This will help you recognize the bad or the lazy content almost immediately. It's like training your eye. As soon as you know what quality looks like, you'll immediately spot AI generated content. Because the bottom line is, you can't know what's good if you don't know what bad is. And you can't spot bad content if you've never created good content. Listen, AI is a fantastic tool. It is such a good tool. You can easily use it to speed things up, but you need to know the output you're looking to get. By the way, if you want my help to create content that actually converts into more sales and none of the vanity metrics, I'm talking about actual cash, there's a Calendly link. Just click on that and we'll take it from there. And if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. There's videos every single week. I'll try to upload as much as I can, and hit the like button as well because that really, really helps push the video out and it gives me motivation to make sure that the channel keeps growing. Because what gives us motivation to keep growing is results. So if you enjoyed it, I would really appreciate that. I'll see you in the next one.